What is up, guys? Check it out, man. It is cold as hell out here. I have a glove on my other hand. I had to take it off so that way I could hit the buttons on the screen. I couldn't do it. I was gonna have Justin do it, but that's ridiculous. And Wayne said, don't be a ninny, just take the glove off. So that's what I did, guys. But anyway, Wayne's here. We got the Jeep. You can see we got the Charger back here. We did something with that. We're not gonna show you yet. We're gonna wait on that. But you see we got the Equinox back here. Justin, he's got this ginormous truck. No flags on it. I think it's a winter thing. But anyway, we have Wayne here. He's got the Jeep, and since you guys seen it last, he did a crap ton of stuff to this. Lights, wheels, all kinds of stuff. I don't know exactly, but we're gonna flip this around and freeze to death while he tells you what all he did. So that's what it is, guys. Let's check it out. All right,
so where do we start, ladies and gentlemen?
Start at the front.
So since the last time you guys saw this thing, when we did the little ghost walk down at the pavilion,
I liked it. That was good.
we put the J bumper on, little stubby bumper, 4 quad lights, all set up, all the clevises, installed 12,000-pound Apex Badlands winch, wireless.
How much does the truck weigh?
The truck stock weighs 4,300 pounds.
So you could pull like 2 of these up wherever?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Like if you get your truck stuck beyond being able to get it out with this, yeah, you just need to call a crane.
Damn.
So a couple of the other mods that we've made, of course, we got the hijack farm jack up on the hood.
That's
ready to
awesome.
rock. Put the 52-inch curved light bar up on the top.
Nice.
We've got the Wolf Storm mounts all the way up the window channel. 4 pods ready to rock.
Damn, I just noticed that. That does go all the way up here, doesn't it?
It does.
Man, it blends in so good. It's a good accent.
Yeah.
I just noticed that.
Did the 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Bosses.
Damn.
Yeah, ATs. Did the Vision Corrupt red wheels. We have done the see, what is this? This is a, I can't even remember the name.
It's a lot to remember, isn't it, man? It's a big list.
We have done so many upgrades to this thing, it's not funny. Oh, hook off road.
Nice.
These are hook off road step rock sliders. We've even done the boss switch.
What is that exactly?
So this allows you to run all your lighting equipment inside of the dash, or inside of the grab handle.
Oh, nice.
So
This box here?
this box here, that's a Voss switch. All of your lighting equipment. And now I look like an idiot.
Oh, nice.
right,
So it's
so-
got the relays and everything in there.
All the relays and everything, you tap that into your battery, and then everything runs into the grab handle up on the driver's side. We'll show you that here in a little bit. I'm just gonna shut the hood. Yeah, again, we did the front VJ bumper. We matched it with the rear VJ bumper
Nice, nice.
with all the lights and the clevises in it.
Yeah, you lost the clevis in Arizona, didn't you?
We did, actually. If you look on the left side, we lost one of the clevises in Arizona out here playing with this thing.
We got more stories about Arizona in a minute after he's done going over it. He'll have to tell us a good story.
So what they did on the 2022s is they did the power inverter delete because of supply chain shortage. So what I did is I actually said, the heck with Dodge, and I installed a 1,000-watt inverter
Oh, nice, nice.
back in the back.
Nice, nice, nice. Hell yeah.
And
So you got 3 plugs back there.
oh yeah, and then of
Hell
course
yeah.
we got the Gator soft top.
Yeah, that was. Excuse me. That wasn't on last time, was it?
It was not. The last time you guys saw this, pretty much none of this stuff was on this Jeep. The last time you saw it was probably, I may have owned this thing 6 days.
Yeah, it wasn't very long. I know
Yeah.
you had just gotten it.
So all this stuff is all pretty well new. Did add a few other things to the interior. You got to mind the truck. It's filthy. We just got back from Arizona playing in the desert. Did add the paracord grab handles.
Those are
with-
nice, man.
With accessory lighting, so that if you
Oh yeah, they do have lights. I seen that.
yeah,
And there's 4 of those in there like that,
Yep.
in there.
Yep,
They're in the
there's-
back too.
yeah, there's
Can I
4
open
of 'em.
this? Is that all right?
Yeah.
Let's check them out. Yeah, you see, guys? And he's got the lighting up there.
Yep.
Heck yeah. Ooh, man. Was that sound bar in there?
The sound bar comes stock with the Rubicon, yeah.
Nice. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
Heck yeah.
And then as far as the lighting system that I was telling you guys about, the Voss switch, everything goes in right here. So all you got to do is push buttons and lights start coming on.
Oh, nice.
And
turn them all on for us once, Wayne. We'll come around here to the front and check them out. We got the charger parked here, this squat box.
So these 2 pods aren't working because the wire broke.
Oh, man. Well, it's something to get fixed. We'll look at it from this side, check it out.
Huh?
Ooh.
Oh,
nasty,
those
nasty.
are hooked into my fog lights.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I can turn those on.
Yeah, let's hit them once. You might as well hit the headlights too, hell. Just light it all up. Stain bangers out here freezing.
They can hit your brights on at him.
Yeah, no crap. Holy crap.
Now, I do have a video of this thing that I put on one of my pages while I was out in Arizona. When all these lights are on, it goes from pitch black in the Arizona desert to I can see what you ate for breakfast on Tuesday.
Damn, you have to send me that clip.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely have to check it out.
Like I
Man,
said,
that's a lot of light, Wayne.
few good upgrades on it yet. We're not done. I still got to put another 2-inch Mopar lift on it. A few more upgrades I'm going to do, and as the summer goes along, we'll probably do another video.
Nice, hell yeah. So that's it, man.
Yep.
Damn. We'll go around it one more time, guys. We got the trapway packed. Ronnie, he was parked here. Jonathan, he was supposed to show up, but we had a little, I guess, break in the weather, but it's still damn cold out here, guys. It's still like 45 degrees, but we stopped by. I had to get this thing on here. Looks real good. Oh, hey, you broke the windshield.
Oh, I did, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably popped that passenger door open.
Oh, yeah, you can't see it from the light side, yeah.
It might show.
Yeah, let's check it out. Oh, I don't know. It's kind of hard to see. You can see it a little bit, but it cracked in circular patterns. Very odd. There you go. You can see that at that angle. Damn. So how did you manage to do that, Wayne? You want to tell us that?
So we were out in Arizona, and I was flexing over a rock that I had to go through on a trail called the Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. That rock was damn near the size of your Charger, and I've actually got a few pictures and videos of that. And yeah, it wound up cracking that windshield through a stress crack.
Damn, that's awesome. But you had a good time with it in Arizona?
Oh, absolutely,
And
absolutely.
Drove and rode good?
Beat the snot out of this thing, and it took everything that I threw at it. I'm absolutely in love with this vehicle.
Nice. Well, that's good, man. Check that out, guys. Very happy. And it's got what, the 3.6 liter?
Yes, sir.
With the 8-speed automatic?
Yep.
Nice, nice, guys. Hell yeah. And you got what, different gears for it, you said?
Yeah, I just purchased different gears for it. They showed up yesterday. Because I went to the 37-inch tires, I'm going to 513 rear ends all the way around.
Nice.
So it should have a lot more low-end torque.
Hell
Get me
yeah.
back where I need to be.
Hell yeah. All right, guys. And the stain banger just changed the oil in this. You guys just missed it. But that's what it is, guys. We are out here freezing. I'm going to put my other glove on, and we're almost 9 minutes. But that's what it is, guys. We will see you guys soon when the season starts and everything gets warm. I have some updates from the Charger coming. Nothing in the lights. It's a trunk project. So all you guys who are here for the audio, like all that stuff, you're definitely going to like what I replaced in the trunk. But it's only half here. So I'm waiting for Tuesday for that to come from Bremen CarQuest. Those guys over there, they ordered some things for me, so we're gonna get them in the Charger and get them upgraded real soon. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. I'm freezing to death. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.